cultural divide. I'ma get it on the floor. You really about to do it? 40 acres in the mule. This is bigger than the music. You really about to do it? Yeah, they tried to rig the game, but you can't fake influence. They get on it like that. Hey, I'm tripping, I'm slapping, I'm riding through the back like fuck. What's that on the beat, bro? Beat, bro, in the rap, he a beat, though. Man down for the everlast, tell him breathe. Let them boys get across, they walk around like thieves. What's up with these your cardio? Trying to see Compton. In the street, you're heavy, pump them all in their mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. Pick a crash, show his body, I'm John Stockton. What? Beat your and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out the show. Certified working man, I'm the one that up the score. Walk it down the whole time, I know he got some hoe. It's the bully death row. Say, I hit you like I'm young. You bet I never go to cell block 1. To eat and talk to him and they in love. Just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chuck, the only one to get your hand-me-downs. Party at the party, playing with his nose down. Rock got a weird case where I see around. Certified, never boy, certified. I'm on them tough. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trying like a, ain't you tired?